Attention, builders! Stand back and clear the construction zone right now! You are looking at a pile of ordinary cardboard, but by the time we are finished today, it will be a living, breathing machine. Welcome to the world premiere of Cardboard Commander, the show where we turn recycled trash into high-tech mechanical treasure. I'm your lead engineer, Cody, and today we're building a masterpiece of mechanical force, the DIY hydraulic claw. We're going to use the power of pressurized liquid to move heavy objects with a simple squeeze of a handle. If you complete this build and master the fluid physics, you earn the Master Mechanic badge. Prepare for ignition because the heavy construction starts now. Let's go into the commander files for a deep dive briefing into the history of heavy machinery. In the year 1647, a brilliant scientist named Pascal discovered a secret of the physical universe. He found that when you apply pressure to a liquid in a completely closed space, that force travels everywhere at the exact same time. This is called Pascal's law, and it is the absolute reason that giant excavators can lift tons of dirt and massive cranes can build skyscrapers today. Today, you are building a professional-grade hydraulic system using nothing but cardboard and water. You're moving from a simple crafter to a high-level commander of the machine. Wait! Is your brain calibrated for heavy engineering? It's time for the Commander Reflex Test. Level 1. Round 1. The structural scan. Look at the cardboard bridge on your screen right now. There's a single weak point that will cause it to collapse under the weight. You have 10 seconds to find the structural failure before the load drops. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you save the bridge? Round 2. The pressure gauge. If we push the small syringe handle down, will the large syringe on the other side move up or down? UP is the only correct answer for a master mechanic. Round 3. The load lock. Can you keep your finger on the moving crate without letting it touch the ground? Incredible! Focus. You're ready for the master blueprint. Now, let's gather your tactical construction materials for this build. Search your workshop for these specific items. You need 2 large sheets of double-walled cardboard for maximum strength, 2 plastic syringes from a pharmacy, 1 meter of flexible plastic tubing, a handful of jumbo popsicle sticks for the joints, and strong duct tape or hot glue. Step 1. The chassis. Cut for identical strips of cardboard to form the arms of your mechanical claw. Step 2. The pivot point. Use a popsicle stick to create a sturdy hinge at the top so the arms can swing open and shut freely. Step 3. The hydraulic engine. Fill your first syringe with colored water and connect the plastic tubing. Step 4. The transmission. Fill the second syringe and connect it to the other end of the tube, making sure there are no air bubbles. Step 5. The reveal. Take the second syringe to the claw arms and push the handle of the first syringe. Watch as the water travels through the tube and forces the claw to snap shut with incredible mechanical power. Mission accomplished. You have earned the Master Mechanic badge. You've taken ordinary cardboard and turned it into a working hydraulic machine with real lifting force. But stay alert, because the Secret Agent Academy and Kitchen Alchemy continue our week of mystery. Hit subscribe to join the Commander, the Alchemist, and the Spy, all in one channel. We're building a kingdom of creativity, one box at a time. Commander dismissed for today.